Now I'm going to introduce the last paragraph of our Taiji 40 forms. So we start from the single whip, rotate to the left heel, right heel, push down. Then you rotate left, right, left. And make sure all the feet rotates are done properly. And then we'll make it much easier to step forward with 7 star. 7 star is the dipper in the sky. The reason why this form is called 7 star is because the elbow, fists, hip, shoulder, ankles make the shape of the 7 star. So we call it 7 star. Step back, straddle the tiger. This form, make sure we do it differently from the white crane spreads the wings. White crane spreads the wings. The hand fingers face up, the hand face to the front. This one, the fingers face obliquely to the left. Still, we feel full of energy inside. We can straddle the tiger. Turn the left toe, turn the right heel, take step and pierce out. Ready for the lotus kick. The lotus kick, if we want to kick properly, we need to prepare properly. The preparation is the rotating and finish with the empty step, relax the body, and ready for the kick. I demonstrate this one again. Straddle the tiger, turn. The right hand threads out from the left hand. Take step, rotate and rotate. Ready, make sure you are relaxed. And then feel like the right foot is ready to kick. A kick, use the right top of the foot to touch left hand and then right hand in order. Like a lotus leaf is swinging. A kick, take step point, shooting the tiger. Make sure you pull to the right first and then shoot out to the left, shooting. Pull in the right foot, move out, parry, and punch. Make sure the feet need to be light and smooth. Use the waist to guide the movement, the same as before. Pull in, curve movement. Press in, another curve movement. Like to block the opponents out. Rotate, balance. Feel peaceful. Cross your hands. Send the energy back to dantian and finish. The last couple of movements are very simple, but we need to do it properly so that we can get a good feeling of completion. Collect the energy back to the body, send it back to dantian, and then we finish, feel energetic. I do that again. Pressing, rotate, feel balanced and peaceful. Collect the energy back into the body. Send the energy back to dantian. And put our feet together. Feel relaxed, peaceful, and energetic. Okay. Now, I would like to introduce the attacking and defending meaning of those forms. From the single whip, push down is to attack through with the palm to attack the soft area. 7-star is a defense. At the same time, it is ready to attack. It's ready to attack the opponent's face. Straddle the tiger. Straddle is a defense to block the attack away. At the same time, ready for the attack. Ready for the attack. Turn is attack. Lotus kick, attack. Point, shooting is attack. Shooting can be attacking with both fists or with one fist to block, another fist attack. Point, move out, parry, defense, and attack, the same as before. Point, pressing, explained already, is to build up a fence or close the door to block the opponents away. Cross your hands, defending, and finish. Closing form. Now, I would like to introduce the breathing coordination of those movements. From the single whip, inhale, rotate. Exhale, push. Inhale, raise up. Exhale, 7-star. Inhale, take step. Exhale, straddle. In, turn. Exhale, take step. Inhale, point. Ready. Exhale, a kick. Inhale, point. Exhale, a strike. In, point. Exhale, move out. In, parry. Exhale, punch. In, point. Exhale, pressing. In, rotate. Exhale, balance. In, cross. Exhale, sinking down. In, put your feet together. Exhale.